Today I'm going to show you how you can use thumbnailcreator.com to create AI-generated YouTube thumbnails in seconds. So let's hop over to my computer screen and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. As you can see, we're here on thumbnailcreator.com, which allows you just to describe a thumbnail idea, click generate, and get instant thumbnails for that idea that you can use on YouTube. You can edit them and customize them however you like. Now in this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how you can set this up for yourself and start using AI to create amazing YouTube thumbnails. So all you gotta do is go to thumbnailcreator.com and click create your first thumbnail. Then you'll be brought to the home page where there's a few different ways you can go and create a thumbnail. There's the AI generate that allows you to create thumbnails with AI. There's also the thumbnail creator where you can edit and enhance existing thumbnails. We'll show you that in a second, but let's start off with AI generate. Now, one really cool feature about thumbnail creator is you can actually use face models. Now, in order to do that, you need the pro plan, which is why I recommend signing up for the pro plan to be able to get the face model feature. Now, the face model will allow you to actually build a model of your face. So you go over here to faces, and all you gotta do is upload 10 to 20 photos of yourself and you can create a face model. Now, by the way, you can add multiple face models and even use a couple of different face models inside of the same thumbnail. Now, when you go to create a thumbnail, you just describe your thumbnail idea. Now, you can include a face model or you could do one without a model. And we're going to do 5 variations and then we're gonna click generate. Now, this should generate relatively quickly, but here's the cool thing. Thumbnailcreator.com was trained on over 3 million YouTube thumbnails, and it uses that data to know what's going to work the best for a thumbnail when it creates its AI thumbnails. All right, so as you can see, it actually came up with 5 different thumbnails already, all in styles that are designed to capture attention on YouTube. Now, you can describe a little bit more in depth exactly what you want, but in this case, we've actually gone and gotten a few different versions. And then what we can do is choose which version we like the best and edit it. Remember, you don't actually have to have this be the final version. So for instance, a lot of these look really good, but I really like this one over here, but I don't think it's perfect. There's some things that I would change about it. So what we can do is we can open this in the editor and then we can actually make changes. All right, so all I gotta do is type the edit that I want. Let's click apply edit and it will automatically create this edit to this image in real time. All right, so look at that. That is a pretty good finished product. We can go ahead and download this thumbnail and it's ready for use on YouTube. So there's a lot of other cool tools you can use. One is a variation generator that will allow you to create split tests of a thumbnail that you've already created. This is really powerful because this is gonna allow you to create split tests and variations of your thumbnails automatically using AI. You can even use this on some of your existing YouTube thumbnails to create other variations you can test against your controls. All right, so I just went ahead and added this thumbnail that I already have, and I want to create 10 different variations. I can also add some guidance if I want, and then I just click generate variations, and we'll see what it comes up with. So here's a few variations it came up with. You can see it came up with a retro vibes version, which is pretty cool. We can always download it or open it in our editor. This dramatic face, I don't know if that'll work as well. It'll actually come up with different variations to split test, and you never know what variation might potentially beat your control. Now there's also an image to thumbnail tool where you can actually upload any image as inspiration for your thumbnail. All right, so here's a thumbnail that I created. We could add some guidance if we wanted, and then let's just go ahead and click create variations. Take a look at that. Now we've got another thumbnail that we can use, and then all we gotta do is go ahead and download that thumbnail. Now, of course, there's also a YouTube thumbnail extractor where you can paste any YouTube video, extract thumbnail, and download the max resolution version of that thumbnail, just like that. So the last tool we want to show you is pretty powerful. This is the style inspiration. So you can go ahead and start this tool and look for any different topic. Let's just use marketing as an example. And you can find thumbnails that are already working in that category, and you can use that for inspiration if you want to create your own variation of a thumbnail. So let's take a look at this thumbnail here, and you can remix a thumbnail like that. Let's say you wanted to find videos ranking for video marketing. What we could do is analyze that, and as you can see, it's going to find thumbnails, and you have an opportunity to potentially remix those thumbnails and create your own variations. when you click remix, it will actually use that as a sample template that you can then create your own versions for. Now, it is important to note that you want to be creative and create your very own variations. So this tool is designed to give you inspiration, but not designed to be a tool that you can use just to copy existing thumbnails. That said, we found this is pretty valuable to be able to see what makes certain thumbnails work and allows you to use that as inspiration for your own thumbnails as well. Now, there's a whole suite of tools here in thumbnailcreator.com, and you can sign up for thumbnailcreator.com by clicking the link right there below this video so that you can start using AI to create viral YouTube thumbnails. We'll see you there.